All right, we are back. It is another day, and we're getting greasy and nasty. I left y'all off with just getting the wiring harness off here and talking about what the plans are for the motor, engine, whatever you want to call it. Motor mounts, still a motor to me. But theoretically, we've had the debate with me and some friends. It's really an engine, so whatever. Anyway, this is where we're at right now. Oh man, you can about eat off of that. So I didn't do the super clean in the last video. I wanted to try it out before I showed it on the video. And I gotta say, it works pretty good. I used this aerosol foaming one they sent me. Like I said, they sent my other YouTube channel a few different products. And that's the one I tried out. I just sprayed these, pretty much everything on the motor down except for the intake manifold. And then I just let it sit. Scrubbed it with a little bit of a brush, and then took a pressure washer to it, and literally took me like 10 minutes. Not even gonna lie. Super happy, super pleased. Let me let you look at it here. So I don't know if y'all can remember what it looked like before. I'll try to throw a picture up, or if you want to, you can go follow me on Instagram at Shade Tree Mechanics with an S or an X. Sorry, but I've got pictures of before and after. But I mean, these things are super clean. Could still take a little bit of like quadruple aught steel wool in here and clean these up. These are going to get, I haven't decided if I'm going to try to hydro dip them or if I'm just going to like wrinkle red, high heat them. Probably going to go with the high heat just because. But man, I can't believe how clean they came. The heads got pretty clean. You can see over here some of the deep stuff that didn't come off. But still, yeah, in comparison to what they were before, I'm super happy with it. Took the water pump off. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get these fuel rails and get this intake manifold and throttle body off. And we're going to take a look down in the valley and see what it looks like. Like I said, we've got some blow by. Who knows? So, it's so bright. Let's go ahead and get the camera set up. I'll do a little montage taking this off. That way, in case I blow anything up or something breaks, y'all get to see me throw something and do something. So let's get going here. Oh, we might go ahead and drain the whole day. We've got stuff to do that. I really don't even know where to start on this. I have found out, last video I said that all these bolts are different sizes, and they are. But I have found that there's a few select sizes. So, and of course that's not it. Alright, there we go. So let's get some stuff situated. Gonna go ahead and get this intake, get the fuel rail off, and get the intake manifold off. Ugh. And we'll see. This here is a, well, I'm using a 5/16, but I don't think it's metric. I thought it was standard, but whatever. All right, this should come off now. Anybody want a truck intake? It's for sale. It's just a dirty girl. I don't know what that is. It's like a sponge. There's a button. Holy vey. Y'all just come look. All right. There's what we got. I mean, it's not terrible. It's not terrible, but it's pretty bad. Pretty bad, pretty bad. I mean, it's got 120,000 miles on it. I don't really know. I don't have anything to compare it to, so I'm gonna clean up this valley pan, whatever you want to call it. Get the NOx sensors out. I mean, I don't know. Do I have to remove the NOx sensors to take off the valley pan, or do they just come with it? I don't know. We'll find out. But I'm gonna take that off. Take a look down the valley, and we'll see. This is the most I've ever torn apart. Well, no. I'm to the point of where I've torn apart a motor before. When I replaced the intake manifold gaskets and the valve cover gaskets on the big block. This is about as deep as I was in. Had the water pump off of it too. So, yeah. Let's get that off. Clean some of this off. Stuff some paper towels at least down in the ports so that nothing else falls down in them. And we'll see. I mean, I think we could call this a junkyard LS for the most part. What do y'all think? I don't know. But I'll be back in just a minute. Well, I think I'm gonna quit taking stuff apart today. I mean, I don't have anything to compare it to. I know the value of my Ford was a lot different. It was a lot cleaner. But I've never messed with one of these LS motors, so I don't know exactly what to look for. To me, this thing looks like it's gotten hot a few times looking at what I can see of the cam. So I'll just show you all. Y'all can take a look. Tell me what you think, what I need to look for, what I need to make sure of. The NOx sensor, one of the places where the NOx sensor bolts in, it looks rough down in here. They both were broke. Like, I don't think either NOx sensor was working. I'm sure that whatever vehicle it came out of was starting to check engine light. Let me show you what I got going on here. Alright, so here we go. You can see down in there the cam looks like it got a little bit worn in some places. But as far as the bearings, they look okay. Like I guess the rollers, I don't know what to call them. And then that's the first NOx sensor, like, that looks terrible. Like, it's rusted. Like, there was water in both of them, and it had been there longer than just me using the pressure washer today. But, like, all this, like, is this supposed to be black like this? Like, I don't know. Mine wasn't like that in the Ford, so I don't know. Y'all tell me. And then there's the other NOx sensor, and then there's the other. Let me go up here so maybe you can see a little bit better with the light. I can't get it and the light in the same frame here. But anyway, it doesn't look terrible. I don't see any scarring or marring. But, like, this doesn't feel like I thought at first that this was like oil, but it doesn't feel like it. Like, I don't know. Y'all tell me. So that's pretty much as far as I am willing to tear down this motor for what I plan to do to it. Now, of course, I'll have to take the balancer, pulley, and stuff like that off to do the cam, and I'll have to maybe I don't think I'll have to pull the heads to do springs, push rods, and lifters. No, I don't think I have to do that. Even if I did like a trunnion kit, I don't think I would have to pull the heads for that. So goal is this to be as tore down, other than taking the front cover off, as we're going to do on this engine. We may do a good pressure washing again if we get another. So I'm looking at intakes, carb intakes. So if y'all have one in mind, let me know. I'm trying to get this build sponsored. I know my channel's pretty small, but the views are pretty good for what it is, and I'm hoping that somebody will reach back out to me. But but we'll see. So that's it for today. Got a lot done. I mean, I feel like in a couple of days, in like an hour and a half, 2 hours worth of work, pulling everything apart. Like I said, I don't know a ton about it, so I'm actually just going to sit the valley pan, or I call it pan. I don't know what do they call it on the LS. Anyway, to me, it's valley cover. I'm going to sit that back down on there just so nothing will get down in there. And then going to pretty much start looking to maybe order some parts. Cam, springs, lost my lot. Cam, springs, lifters. That'll be first. And then I'll look at doing an intake and the MSD. So yeah, if y'all have any suggestions, any ideas, anything that I should get or look into, drop it down in the comments below. If you like this kind of stuff, be sure to hit like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. I remember doing my other channel and it taking forever to get to where it's at today. And I can already see that this channel grows a little bit faster than it has, especially when I post content. So I really appreciate all of you who have been supporting the channel and continue to do so. And hopefully soon, maybe we can get like, I don't know, an email address or something where y'all can check in with me. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'll put links down below. But anyway, guys, I appreciate you for watching. That is the 5.3 LS motor that we're building. We're going to build us a big one. I don't know. I don't have huge plans. I don't have a lot of knowledge of it. So as far as like expectations, like I'm hoping for a 500 horsepower street car. That's my goal. I'll just say it. It ain't gonna be grudge racing or none of that. So, nitrous car. Who knows? Eventually it may be turbo. I don't know. Y'all stick with me, guys. I appreciate you for watching. We'll see you next time. I don't know what I'll be doing next time. Maybe just clean up. Maybe do the oil. I didn't do the oil today, so we'll go ahead. Next video, we'll drain the oil, see what kind of catastrophic disappointment that can be. And, yeah, we'll go from there. So I'll see you guys next time. Y'all stick with me. We'll see what we can do. Said that 100 times. Thanks, guys. God bless.